Hi, I'm Jeremy Anspach. My session will be around attribution. It will explore ways of how to manipulate Google Analytics in a way to finally talk car guy. Since dealers are not e-commerce stores, it's super difficult to determine how an ad dollar impacts a sale. By leveraging additional tools that my session will cover, it will show and explore ways to utilize Google Analytics in ways that haven't been done before to maximize car sales, understand by vendor what's working and what's not, and finally uncover the super complex consumer journey that no longer is easy to see through a lead and track to a sale in a CRM, allowing dealers to better spend their ad budget, maximize return on investment, and sell more cars.